Hello students. So let us solve question number 4, exercise 4.1. So far we have solved 3 questions of this exercise. Now let's solve the fourth one. What is the question? Write equations for the following statement. We have to write equations. Statement is given to us and we have to write as equation. So let's read. The sum of numbers x and 4. Sum of numbers x and 4. The sum of these two numbers is means equals to 9. So easy. The sum of numbers x and 4 equals to 9. Next one. The difference between y and 2 is 8. Y and 2 difference. Y minus 2 difference is 8. Okay. Third one. 10 times a. 10 times means multiply. 10 into a is means equals to 70. So we can write this as 10a equals to 70. You can write in this manner. Now, fourth one, read it. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. The number b divided by 5 gives means equals to 6, or we can write in this way, fraction way, b by 5 equals to 6. Next one, read. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t. 3/4 of means, children, multiply. Of means multiply. T is the variable given to us, equals to 15. So we can write in this way also. 3t by 4 equals to 50. Now, see the next one. What is next one? 7 times m. 7 times m means 7m. Plus 7 gets you 77. Clear? 7 times 7m plus 7. Next one, 7th. 1/4 of a number. 1/4, 1 by 4. Of means into. Number is not given to us. We can assume any variable. Whenever number not given, we can assume any variable. Let's assume x. Minus 4. Minus 4 gives means equals to 4. So finally we can write 1 into x by 4 minus 4 equals to 4. Next one, see children. If you take away 6 from 6 times y. If you take away 6 from 6 times y. 6 times y, 6 into y. And if you take away means subtract. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. So we can write this as 6y minus 6 equals to 60. And the last one, see. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z. If you add 3 to 1/3 of means multiply z. You get 30. And in this we can write as 3 plus z by 3. 1 into z by 3 equals to what? 30. So children understood how we can convert statement form to equation. Now let's do the question number 5th one. Now see the next question. What is our next question? Write the following equation statement form now. The equation is given to us, we have to write a statement. In question number 4 we have seen statement to equation. Now equations to statement. So very easy. P plus 4 equals 15. So what will write? P added to 4 4 gives 15. So easy. M minus 7 equals to 3. So what we'll write? 7 subtracted from M. 7 subtracted from M gives 3. And we can write also like this. M minus 7 equals to 3. We can write also like this. Now, 2M equals to 7. So what we'll write? 2 times M. 2 times M gives 7. 2 times M, 2M gives 7. And next one, see, M by 5 equals to 3. So, what will write that one? M divided by 5 gives 3. Okay? M divided by 5 gives 3. Next one, see, 3M by 5. So 3 fifth of M we can write, or we can write 3 multiplied by M divided by 5. We can write it anyway. So 3 fifth of M. I am writing like this. 3 fifth of M. 3 by 5. 3 fifth. 3 fifth of M gives 6. Okay, and you can write also like this. 3 multiplied by M divided by 5 gives 6. Also we can write in this way. Now see next one. 3P plus 4 equals to 25. So how will write? 3 times P added to 4 gives 25. Okay children, getting? Next one, 7. See the seventh one. 4P minus 2 equals to 18. So how will write? 4 times P minus 2 gives 18. And children, we can write also like this. 2 subtracted from 4 times P gives 18. Any way you can write. You can write in statement form. In any way you can write. Now, P by 2 plus 2 equals to 8. So, how will write? P divided by 2. P divided by 2. And added to 2 gives 8. Clear children? How we have to write in statement form when equations are given to us. So both the questions are clear to you. Question 4th, statement to equation, and question 5th, equation to statement. So thank you so much for watching this video.